Hi, I'm Kiki, and I am one of the owners of Poi Dog, which is a restaurant here in Philadelphia, in the Rittenhouse neighborhood. And Poi Dog means mixed breed or mutt in Hawaiian Pidgin. We are making Haupia today with cold brew. So first we're gonna take 3 cups of coconut milk. This is kind of lumpy because it's been in the fridge. We'll heat it up with a cup of granulated sugar, just to medium heat. So the slurry is going to be about 3/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 cups of cold brew. So I'm whisking it so it gets fully incorporated and not lumpy. So it's gonna heat up and we're gonna start whisking. And as I'm whisking, I'm gonna slowly incorporate the coffee and cornstarch slurry. Smells really, really good in here. You can also add chocolate if you want. You can keep it vegan by using dark chocolate or cocoa powder, which is what I usually do. So this is currently vegan, but it's super, super rich, luxurious, and decadent. So. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of cocoa powder in a very, very cold mixing bowl. My draft latte can here is also very cold, and I'm gonna need a tablespoon of sugar. Look how foamy it is. So finally, our Haupia has been resting in the fridge for about an hour, so it's nice and cold. It's very stiff. This one you can flip over. If you want it on the creamier side, when you are whisking it in the very beginning, just don't add so much cornstarch. Go like half a cup instead of 3/4 of a cup. It's like eating a cold coconut cappuccino in pudding form.